Hi everybody, today I'm going to make binding really quickly here. I have less than half a yard of this fabric. I'm going to cut it in 2.5-inch strips. So just right here I'm squaring it up, and then I'm going to move my ruler 2.5 inches over. I'm using the lines on my cutting mat as a guide along with the straight edge of my ruler. And I'll just make 2.5-inch strips. And now all my strips are cut, and I'm just going to check the middle here where the folds were and just make sure that I don't have these little peaks and valleys, because I don't want that. And sometimes that happens when the fabric's folding and you're trying to cut a straight line. Okay, so now I'm going to attach my strips together, and I'm going to place them right sides together. And I have a little bit of an overhang on each side, and my top strip is perpendicular to my bottom strip. And then I'm going to use my ruler and I'm going to draw a diagonal line from corner to corner. And then I place my pins on either side of my line, and I'll take it to the machine to sew. Okay, this looks great. So I'm just going to trim that seam allowance down to 1/4 inch, and then I'm going to press the seam open. Okay, that's it. Easy binding. All right, next week we'll use it in a project. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.